A new life brings infinite possibilities, and we believe every child's beginning should be filled with joy. Through the Punjab Family Planning Program, supported by the World Bank, we work to protect mothers, strengthen families, and help communities thrive. Our mandate is clear: improve maternal and child health through access to quality services, expand safe, effective, and acceptable methods, create an enabling environment for women and men, drive demand with sustained, evidence-informed communication, and strengthen delivery through skilled providers, research, and innovation. This journey began with a crucial step: the merger of the Primary and Secondary Healthcare Department and Population Welfare Department into a unified Health and Population Department. Families now experience one-window access to maternal, child, and family planning services. Records follow patients across facilities, duplication is reduced, monitoring is stronger, and teams can act quickly when gaps or stockouts appear, ensuring the right care at the right time. To reach every household, Punjab has introduced the Community Health Inspector model to achieve 100% coverage in areas without lady health workers. With the induction of 20,000 CHIs, services are moving to the doorstep. Equity is central to our work. Through the PFPP-BISP initiative, low-income beneficiaries access family planning at public and private facilities via an e-voucher scheme. To encourage uptake, transport vouchers are being provided in 14 districts, reducing financial barriers, supporting healthier birth spacing, strengthening women's agency, and helping families break cycles of poverty. Quality of care is our compass. PFPP is prioritizing comprehensive counseling and long-acting methods with targets of at least a 35% increase over baseline in clients receiving proper counseling and 45,000 new mothers adopting long-acting options. Measures designed to strengthen both choice and care quality. Providers are being upskilled through online learning, hands-on practice, while partnerships with private clinics supply commodities and trained staff, expanding access and lifting standards across the system. We are also investing in the service platform. 13 new family health clinics have been established, and infrastructure, branding, and service delivery are being improved at 130 Well Women clinics where trained counselors provide support. To explore new solutions, PFPP is piloting family planning vending machines at selected facilities. PFPP has rolled out a comprehensive social and behavior change campaign that blends mass media with grassroots outreach. From Sehat Melas to TV discussions and university seminars, we are promoting informed attitudes and practical know-how. Religious leaders, social opinion influencers, and community leaders are now lending their voices, helping to shift norms and open conversations in every district, especially in underserved areas. Reliable services depend on reliable supplies. PFPP is ensuring family planning commodities are available at every facility through timely procurement, real-time stock visibility, and rapid redistribution, preventing stockouts, reducing wastage, and giving providers confidence to counsel on the full method mix. In parallel, social marketing across 10 districts expands convenient private access through accredited outlets, easing public sector load and raising overall quality and equity. Looking ahead, our targets are ambitious and purposeful. A 6% increase in family planning users over baseline, at least 35% receiving appropriate counseling, 45,000 additional postpartum and post-abortion women adopting long-acting options, community leaders engaged for messaging in all 36 districts, and a 4 percentage point rise in modern contraceptive use. PFPP is the engine driving this progress, strengthening monitoring, sharpening resource allocation, and extending services to the most remote areas. By focusing on delivery, outreach, financial support, and strong development partnerships, PFPP is advancing Punjab's commitment to Pakistan's FP 2030 goals, building a healthier, more prosperous future for families across the province. At PFPP, we believe every child matters, not as a statistic but as a beacon of hope with unique potential and promise for tomorrow.